Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, or you can email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and this number uses WhatsApp. So this number uses WhatsApp, and it's 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us. You can either have class in person or over the telephone. These classes are available whether it's in person or over the telephone. These classes are available island-wide, anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class or longer if you choose. It starts from $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month for 1 hour class per week. For one class per week, 1 half hour class per week. $2,000 per month. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it to our Jamaica national account. Pay for the classes, pay for the telephone classes or the in-person classes to our Jamaica National Bank account. To have class in person, you can have class for 2 hours each class, any day, anytime you choose, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m., any day of the week from Sunday to Sunday. Classes in person can either be with a class, as a full set of class with other persons in it. That means you will come to us, or we can go to you. To come to us, it would be $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. 2 hours for the class. 2 hours, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Any day of the week, Sunday to Sunday. Or we can go to you. We can go to your location, your house, or wherever you would like us to go to. To go to you, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Any day of the week, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Classes can be any grade of primary or prep school, PEP, reading for adults, reading classes for adults, teenagers, or children. So adults, teenagers, or children can have reading classes, PEP classes for any grade of primary or prep school, as well as persons doing the art aptitude test can have classes with us. We will help you with your art aptitude test. Pay for it using our Jamaica National Bank account. You are also invited to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers or PEP papers and PEP papers. 50 GSAT past papers and PEP papers, about 50 papers for only $4,000. Only $4,000 for the set of about 50 past papers, GSAT past papers, as well as PEP past papers. Send us a WhatsApp send us a photograph. Send us a WhatsApp, an email. Send us an email telling us which email address you'd like the email sent to. You will receive these tests by email. Send us an email telling us from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and that way we will have the email address right and ready to send it to. So send us an email from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and we will have that email address right and ready to send the test to. So we will send you an email of the 50 GSAT and PEP past papers. You will receive the emails the day after payment is made. Send us a photograph of your receipt through email or WhatsApp. The account number is Island-wide Jamaica National Bank account number 0011114402, Afro Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Sharp. Again, make payment for anything, for classes or past papers at any branch of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Shaw. Send us a photograph of the receipt in WhatsApp or by email to let us know that would be proof of your payment. So send us a photograph of your receipt after you have made payment in WhatsApp or by email as proof of your payment. You may make the payment online, or you can go into the bank and use the Dropbox. Use Jamaica National Dropbox to pay for it. That's a quicker way to pay for it. You don't have to use a teller. You can use a Dropbox and pay for it, and you can make payment online. So remember, Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number, and this is a WhatsApp number. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 124 out of 150 questions. This question asks, what is the circumference of a circle that has a radius of 8 centimeters? Use 3.14 for pi. The choices are A. 50.24 centimeters, B. 200.96 centimeters, C. 25.12 centimeters, D. 11.14 centimeters. Again, the question and choices are: what is the circumference of a circle that has a radius of 8 centimeters? Use 3.14 for pi. The choices are A. 50.24 centimeters, B. 200.96 centimeters, C. 25.12 centimeters, D. 11.14 centimeters. Do you know how to calculate the circumference? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. What is the circumference of a circle that has a radius of 8 centimeters? Use 3.14 for pi. The choices are A. 50.24 centimeters, B. 200.96 centimeters, C. 25.12 centimeters, D. 11.14 centimeters. Now to read my answer. Circumference is equal to diameter times pi. Diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. 8.8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. 16 times 3.14. 16 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 16 is equal to 50.24. Answer A, 50.24 centimeters. Now to explain my answer. To find the circumference of a circle, you need to multiply the diameter times pi. To find the circumference of a circle, you need to multiply the diameter times pi. We don't have the diameter here, but diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. Diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. The radius is 8 centimeters. The radius is 8 centimeters. Therefore, we are going to multiply the radius times 2. We are going to multiply the radius times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 2 is 16. Next, multiply 16, the diameter, times pi. Multiply the diameter times pi. Next, multiply the diameter times pi. Multiply the diameter times pi. So that will be 16 times the pi. And they say to use the pi as 3.14. They say to use pi as 3.14. So therefore, it's 16 multiplied by 3.14. 16 multiplied by 3.14. Let's multiply. 3.14 multiplied by 16. 3.14 multiplied by 16. 6 times 4, 24. Write down the 4, carry the 2. Write down the 4, carry the 2. Next, 6 times 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 times 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Next, 3 times 6, or 6 times 3. Next, 6 times 3. 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 3 is 18. So that is 1884. 1884. Next, let's multiply the 1. Next, let's multiply the 1. Write a 0. Write a 0. Write a 0 as placeholder. Write a 0 as placeholder. Next, 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Write down the 4. And then 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Write down the 1. Then 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Write down the 3. Next, let's add everything. Let's add everything, go down. 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 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. Write down the 2, carry the 1. Write down the 2, carry the 1. 8 plus next. 8 plus next. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 1 plus 9 is 10. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 1 plus 9 is 10. Write down the 0, carry the 1. Write down the 0, carry the 1. Next, 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus the 1 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus the 1 that you carry is 5. So that's 5024. So that's 5024. So that's 5024. So that's 5024. Next, put in the point. Put in the point. There was 2 numbers after the decimal point. There was 2 numbers after the decimal point. Therefore, you're going to write back 2 numbers. You're going to count 2 numbers and then put a decimal point. You're going to count 2 numbers from the back and then put in a decimal point. You're going to count 2 numbers from the back and then put in a decimal point. You're going to count 2 numbers from the back and then put in a decimal point. That makes it 50.24. That makes it 50.24. That makes it 50.24. That makes it 50.24. Answer A, 50.24 centimeters. Answer A, 50.24 centimeters. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
receive assistance over the telephone or by email or in Facebook chat or Facebook messaging or WhatsApp. Receive help over the telephone. If you need help, you can call me and get help. That is GSAT or reading help over the telephone or by email, sending me emails. We can exchange emails. We can chat via Facebook or chat in Facebook messaging or WhatsApp. If you have a telephone that uses WhatsApp, we can also use WhatsApp to conduct our classes. Help with tests. If you're doing tests, homework, help with your homework, studying, and also computer help for older persons or anyone who needs help with using the computer. In Word, in Microsoft Word, in Introduction to the Computer, in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Microsoft Publisher, and Internet and emailing, and also speed typing. Help with learning where the keys are so you can type faster. This help is for primary, prep, and high school students, persons who can't use a computer well, adults and children who need help with reading and spelling, etc. Persons of all ages are welcomed. It's for only $2,000 per month. So it's a very convenient service for only $2,000 per month. Payments should be made island-wide at any branch of Jamaica National Building Society, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch. Account holder's name, Richard Sharp. Email me proof of payment, or you can send me a photograph in WhatsApp. Take a photograph with your phone of the receipt and send it to me via WhatsApp, and that will be proof that will be proof that you have paid. When you have made payment, you should email me to my email address using the email address that you would like me to send emails to when we start our classes, because I will send you materials to read and so on, to do tests from, and we'll go over them over the telephone, Facebook, email, etc. And I will send you materials. So you should send me an email from the email address that you would like me to send the emails to, so that I can have the email address right that I will be sending the emails to. Call me at 353-4752, and this is a number that uses WhatsApp, 353-4752. And you can also call me on my landline number for classes. Call me on 648-3855, 648-3855, 648-3855. This is a digital landline. And you can also email me at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile, PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.